Chapter 4 Civics Growing Up as a Boys and Girls. Gender. Gender, it means that person is a male or a female, or any child. The child is a boy or a girl. If there is any birthday party near your home, so whenever they will call you, you have to first of all know that the child is a boy or a girl. If the child is a girl, so you have to you will buy some toys for the child. So which type of toys you will buy when you will move towards any shop? Yeah, of course you will ask about, just show us some toys that girls they used to play. Might be any kitchen set or any Barbie doll, something like that. But if the child is a boy, then in that case you will ask for something sports item, as like rifle or any car. So this is the difference which we do in a normal way. So we are talking about in society, people always train that small child from their childhood days on the basis of their gender. We are going to do a case study about a island, that is a Samoan Islands. The Samoan Islands are one of the large groups of small islands in the southern part of the Pacific Ocean. We're talking about the year of 1920. On that time, the children were not allowed, or they were not moving towards any school. So what these children they were doing? When they were small babies, they just started walking on their own, and they were left under the care of their older brothers and sisters. So what happened if there is any small child of 1 or 2 or 3 years? So on that time, and they used to be taken care by their elder brothers and sisters. Children as old as 5 years looked after their younger siblings. So now what happened? And when they will grow up, when they will reach above 5 years, as like 6, 7, 8 years, in that case they used to take care of their younger siblings. Then afterwards, when these children were reached near the age of 9, I'm talking about the boys on that time, and when they reached at the age of 9 years, they were joined with the older boys for the outdoor activities. What they do? Outdoor activities, they used to do the fishing work or planting coconut trees. So on that time, girls they were continuing looking after the younger ones. When these girls became teenager near the age of 14 years of age, they were allowed more, they get the more freedom, and then afterwards they do the same work as like boys they were doing at the age of above 9 years. They used to help their mothers in cooking, they do the fishing work, they do the plantation activities. Now let's move towards the another case study of Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, the in India, I'm talking about in India, that middle state that is Madhya Pradesh. So, there boys and girls had a different outlook. The school for boys was open while one for girls was closed. So what we are seeing that the boys schools are totally open, that everybody can watch them what they are doing, but the girls schools are totally closed, that outsiders they can't see what girls are doing inside their school. So this is the difference where men and women do equal work, but it is not valued equally. Where male and female they both are doing the same work, but they were not getting the equal value for it. When we are talking about housework, especially in India, many women work in offices and many do only household work. As like so many children's, their mothers are housewife. So that housewife, it doesn't mean that they are not doing any work. That working at home is also a big task. Valuing housework is an important element which needs to be propagated in society. If we look at the lives of domestic workers, they are involved in activities like sweeping, cleaning, cooking, washing clothes and dishes, or looking after children. Most of these are women in our country. A number of housework actually involves many different tasks. The work requires strenuous and physically demanding situation, and for this all work, these females they were never paid or hardly they paid little bit amount. When we are talking about work, women's work, and about equality, while the Constitution does not discriminate between male and female. So, under this Constitution, both male and female are equal. So, it does not discriminate anyone on the basis of male or female in our country. So, according to this Constitution, they both are equal. The government has set up Anganwadi or childcare centers in several villages to help women. So, what government, how they are helping the working women? They are opening Anganwadi where the small child used to be taken care by some females, and like this, government are helping that working women. Thank you.